Hi, this is Trepman9, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stand to hold up a can that boils water over your fire. What you need is a can, wire, a fire, a long stick, 2 sticks with a Y, doesn't matter what size, and a rock. But I already made holes in the can because it might take a while. But yeah, this is what you do. What you do is you take this long stick and this bigger one, and you stand this bigger one up. You take this one, and you have your rock to sturdy it over here. And you take your can with the wire and tie a knot so the wire stays on. You can actually use string or rope. I would prefer wire because rope might catch on fire and burn and start, and you won't have a very good day. But yeah. If you need to, you can shorten it by twisting up here. But if that doesn't work, then it doesn't matter. Put your fire right under it. And that's how you make a basic boiling water tool.